Daphne. Today I will be making the chocolate cake, and I've already started preheating the oven at 170, and I've weighed all the ingredients. I will put in the video an image of all the ingredients along with the weights. I did one change though, two changes. One was that instead of adding twice chocolate, I use the chocolate, which will give the color of the dough, and instead of chocolate chips, I will be putting raisins. Then for the chocolate itself that will go in the dough, I'm using two different types of chocolate, a combination of both, and the reason is because one has kind of a spicy floral flavor to it, while the other gives more the creamy chocolatey sensation to it. And yes, so I have the dark chocolate, which is more spice towards the spices, and that's a 70% dark. And then the creamy chocolatey is a 40% milk. They are from two different brands. The dark is from Quatre-quarts, and the milk is from Valrhona. So I will I have pre-greased the mold for the cake, and I'm gonna start by sifting the flour.